Hey guys, Vinny here. Today we are at RCP Block Brick, and today we're gonna learn how the blocks are born. We are with George. George, what do you do here?
I'm in charge of the manufacturing here at RCP Block Brick. You want to come check out the
Sure,
operation?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
You guys have a lot of sand here.
Yeah, this is where it all starts, Vinny. This is where we load up all the aggregates into the BDM.
Tell me how these buckets work.
Well, each one of these bins is designed to have a different aggregate in there. And the BDM system is designed to layer all the components, so when it's being fed into the mixer, it gives us the optimal design mix.
Wow.
That's where all the legacies are made, all the compacts, all the standards. They all get split in line. Like right now we're making the legacies. So that's the number 6 machine where all the pavers are made. So this is where all the raw materials come up these belts, and the one gets fed to machine 5 over here, and then it goes down the belt and gets fed into the mixer, mixes it all up like a cake. And then it gets fed into that little hopper there.
For me, this is like being at Disneyland.
Yeah.
Wow, so excited.
Me too, I grew up here. So all the material gets fed into the mold.
The cake is ready, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
this is the curing room.
Yeah, so after the product is made, the tracker rack will take it and it'll store it in the room. So now that it's loaded the fresh product that we've made into the steam room to cure, it's gonna go and grab product made from yesterday and then go load it up on the line over there on the gray side. Product gets loaded onto the conveyor, it'll get fed down the conveying line, and then go through the splitting process here. Each legacy is made Siamese, and then they go through the splitter. They get split in half. The two split off pieces get put into the breakage bucket. We throw that into the crusher, recycle it, and use it to make more.
Wow. So basically this is where the blocks are born.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. So those pieces are crunched and reused again.
Yes, sir. And while they're being split, the guys on the line are chipping away at excess material. They're checking for any defects. Cuber operator will arrange the product and push it down the line. After it makes it through the cuber, it'll go down to the inline wrapper that we have. It'll package it up nice and neat for you, and then come out and be pushed out the building for the forklift operator to put the inserts in.
That was the first time ever in my life that I've been in a factory where they make the blocks, and I really enjoy it. That was fun. Thank you very much. Hey guys, that was fantastic. I hope you guys liked this tour as much as I did. Now you know you can get all the blocks, the bricks you need for your hardscape projects. RCP has everything you need. Hey guys, check it out. This thing is huge. Woohoo!